Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne. This is my second try doing this because apparently I turned off my mic. So the green light, solid, good. Green light flashing means it's going to shut off soon. So note to self. So if you have one of these little mic thingies, yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully I didn't just flash my boobs. Yeah. So I got to do this again. Which is okay because I was rambling and my brain was not firing, and I was like 20 minutes of just, rambling and stuff. All right, let's get her done and my flowers for the week. And, my grapevines are not doing good. I got flowers all over the place. Okay. Oh, all right. Double check really quick, make sure everything's in view. All right, cool. Alrighty, round two. Here we go. Hopefully you guys are having a fabulous Sunday. Hopefully I grabbed the right money out of the thing. I'm supposed to have 560, but I'm not going to count it again because, I just counted it and it was really a pain. Or I guess I could count it, but no. That's right, I'm not going to count it. I won't. I was going to do a little short with me counting, but I've done that before. I can do that next time when I don't have weird amounts, or maybe when I do a cash consolidation, I'll do that. I'll do it next time. I'll do it next time. I'll just put a shot off for next time. All right. I should have like $660, I believe, altogether. I got a little extra out because I'm going to be going to Lagoon this week. I'm going to go to amusement park. I have Lagoon days with one of my nieces. Their park is really expensive, so she can get it at cheaper. So that's usually when we go. Instead of $100 and something, it's like $45. So we do that. Okay, blue one is the first one. As always, do you ever get bored with some of the other, some of the budgeters because it's all the same? That's why I want to try to get some different content in, because my attention span is not there. So, I love watching you guys because it's like I'm sitting down with you next to me, and or hanging out, and I kind of learn something about everybody and their lives, and it's kind of cool. You feel like you're part of their family. But at the same time, like this one is pretty much the same thing every week. You're adding, a lot of times you're adding the same amounts in and stuff. And so it's like you see in the first one, it's like, okay, well, I like this person, like to listen to talk, so I'll just kind of play it in the background as I do dishes or clean or something like that, which is awesome. Thank you guys for anybody who does that. I know I do that quite a bit. But I also look for those content creators who do a lot of different, like the happy planner or craft stuff as well on top of it, or I like cleaning and cleaning channels and cooking channels and all that stuff, and shop with me channels. So that's why I like doing the shop with me. I had one I was going to do last week, the shop with me, and it did not turn out. By the time I'd cut that thing down, it would have been like 5 minutes. So I'm like, okay, screw this. I deleted everything, and I did have the bowl of noodles of the ferrets and stuff that I put as a short, so that was really cute. Actually, it did like 1.4 thousand views or something like that, which is awesome. I think it's the third best one. So animals always do really good on shorts. So if you're trying to bump up your shorts, animals are always good. Okay, let's get started. But yeah, if there's any other type of things that you like, that content wise, let me know if you like seeing it, or I wouldn't mind learning how to film other type of content. That's, like my gardening and stuff. And next time I'll have to try different things on it and pay attention to some of these gardeners and how they film and stuff. And because it's good. It was okay, but I could do better. I want to improve as I go. And so I might try to do some cleaning as well. Okay, I put the $200 in there for Dad. I put $5 in for books. So I should have I don't know, 200 and something. I don't really count on those ones. That's what I have. It usually goes back to the thingy, the back to the bank one at the end of the month if I get books. I'm almost done with one of my books, so I'm going to get another one. Give me a sleazy romance book. Groceries, 20. I can actually do the full 60 this week. I don't have a whole lot. I'm going to try to do some prep work, make me some egg bites and stuff. So it's mainly, I'll have to go through my my garden before I go shopping and making my list and see what I have so I can use what I have. Because I know I have some bell peppers and some jalapenos and some other spicy peppers. So maybe I'll do a spicy cheese uh, egg bite or something like that. Because I just ate my last of my egg bites. And, you know, when you don't want to cook, they're quick and easy. All right, let's do a 20 in the babies. I have nothing in it because I actually had to use my vet one to feed all the animals because they had a lot of the big ticket items that came out at once. It's usually how it is. Car payment, car and Visa. I think I have about 150 left on my one RC Willie card. And that's when I bought my TV stand with a fireplace in it and everything after I had a cat do parkour on my TV and knock the whole thing over. So I got about 150 left on that. And then I'll start saving up. And instead of using my RC Willie card, I'm going to start putting money away into my thing for household stuff and try to pay for most of it in cash. And that way I'm less likely to impulse buy as well. That way I have a certain amount of money. I'll have to research before I go and buy stuff. That way it saves me money. Card and Visa. So I'll go through here and write all my things down on it later. I have 100, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 200. And my car's due on the 15th. Then my Visa's usually like the 5th, which was yesterday, so I'm like a day late, but you know, I don't care too much as long as you're, not a month late. Need some coffee? Gas, I usually do Visa, but I'll put an extra 5 in there in case I just need a little bit of extra. Hopefully I can build that back up. Hopefully I can get a job that's near here that I'm not going through as much gas as I did before. Before I was like going through $30 every 2 weeks. And now since they had me driving up and down every single freaking day, that was like $70 a week, plus all that mileage that I never got paid for and putting all that mileage on my car. So yeah, I need something closer. Beauty, I was going to put $5 in that. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and I think there's 3. I should have $2 more in here, so I should have like 30. So I might go and get me some stuff. If I get not inventory, where they hire you and they check you out, make sure you're not crazy. Interview. That's the word I was looking for. I can get some stuff to make me beautiful. Fix it. I'm going to put 5 in there. I'm going to have to do a consolidation. Maybe I'll do that this next week. I'll go through all these and see how much money I have in them and then go and consolidate them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 3? Or do I have $1 in here? Oh, I have $2.50. 53, 55. So I got 55 in there. Mount Country, I'm gonna put their 10. I'm probably gonna do them another month, or at least until I know what my job is, in case I need their parking again. Plus, they're cool people. They're the Mount Country. They make pepperoni and that type of stuff. If you have a puppy or a kitty, they do a lot of the snacks, the puppy and kitty snacks. Target. I didn't do any Target. Clothes. Wait, did I do Target last time? I forget. I don't know. I can always add some money on it. Target, clothes. I've got 25 in there, so add an extra 5, do 30. Get me something new. I need some pants majorly. All my pants are falling off of me, and I have to wear a belt. And all my clothes look saggy. I have to go to Ross or the DI or thrift store or whatever. Eating out. I think I put 5 in there. Got to build that back up. So last week I did a lot of binge spending and eat with my one card. I was like, oh, I have $60 in there. I can use it. Stupid excuses, Spending, crafting. I want to go out, hang out with my friend this week. We like to go Hobby Lobby. We were going to do it last week, but it was just, didn't have the time. And back to the thingy. All right, there's one. So yeah, leave me message of content or whatever, of what type of content you like that's sort of related to basically budgeting is just life, so maybe some lifestyle, simple content that you like watching that I might try learning how to do and film, like my gardening I did last week. It was okay. I might have to move the camera around a little bit more so I get some more in-depth pictures and stuff and learn how to line that type of stuff so I can kind of learn how to. Might actually have to look up some filming YouTube tutorials. That might be an idea. Maybe I'll do some more research this week and do some different types of tutorials. So if you have any tutorials on, filming and that type of stuff that you recommend, put that in there as well. Cats, let's put 20 in here. I think I took the 20 out. Now they're going to get a lot. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. My brain's saying that's wrong. I'll have to double check when I edit. My brain is sluggish today, even with coffee. It's just not working. Not working today. Registration. I want to do my brain is really not working. With the dice one. I saw one who was it? Project Savings. She number a lot of her sinking funds because I usually try to put $20 in here and that type of stuff and some of these to build them up, especially the registration taxes because they're due within the next 2 or 3 months. So I want to get as much as I can in there so I'm not taking or using my credit card as much because I want to try to get to the point where, shaking, sorry. I want to get to the point where this next year I'm hoping to have the registration and car taxes and house taxes all paid for before. So I'm not, because normally we'd end up using our credit card and then we'll pay that off throughout the year. And then if there's an emergency, we're just chasing after that credit card, and I don't want to do that anymore. So I'm going to try to do as much as I can in cash and then pay off whatever I can in credit card. But at least that way it'll be like half the amount or less. And the next year we'll have it all paid off. And I'll make a list of how much it costs and I'll put it in my little diary book type of thing. But yeah, she does a randomizer as well, like once a month for her big sinking funds, Project Savings. I think that's what I saw her doing it. Like number 1, number 2, number 3. And then, so you still have your normal ones, but then like you do $5 or $10, like you do a minis, but you do $5 bills instead of like $1 bills. And then like add a $10 other one and then just go through there. That way all of them are getting love and getting some money. You just put an extra, $50 to $100 or whatever in it. That way you're still getting some extra money in there as well. And it feels, because some of these seem like they don't get any love, like electronics and home maintenance and that type of stuff. And I want to get them built up. So I might end up doing that. So that, because right now they're more like priority, like taxes and the other ones done first. 120, 30, 40, 150. So this taxes will be car taxes, and then the house tax, because we'll probably end up having to use the credit card as well. But at least that way we can get ahead of it. Fund of money. I'm going to put at least $5 in there. Nope, and I'm going to get started on. Did I take out all that money for fund money? I had more money in there. I had like 30 or something bucks in there. Huh. I don't know. Maybe I took it out. I don't think so. It doesn't look like it. Gifts, vacation, Xmas. Xmas actually has like 100 and something in it already. So it's already starting an emergency because I want to get my emergency fund, my retirement. It's got a little bit in there. I've been using a lot of the no spend and stuff goes to the retirement. And health. I don't have anything in that one either. And this week I'm going to vamp up my description so I can get some of these in there. These ones are just Amazon, but some of these are Etsy. I want to make sure I get the accounts in there and my email so I don't have to, because sometimes I forget to correct the description when I put my videos in. And so spelling is wrong and everything. So I'm going to try to update those and get everything in here that has the stuff that I use all the time. I don't have an Amazon affiliate because I don't have enough people doing it yet. I don't even know how to do that yet. But these are like all Amazon, and they're like between $5 to like $15, depending on what site you get them from. This was like 75 over on Etsy. Came from Europe, and I believe it's a handmade one. So, anywho, I would love to get one from the same lady who did this one, like an A6, but she doesn't have any A6s. I'm gonna have to see if she does it, or if there's another person who makes handmade leather binders that are like this nice quality. Have some A6s that are, because I like these because they're nice and thick. They got the bigger rings and stuff in them. They're just really nice. Anyways, hopefully you're having a fun Sunday. Still got some money left. I think that's going to be going towards my lagoon days. We have this next week is vacation stay. I have a stay vacation where I'll be working on my resume and get my name out there and see what type of companies are looking for help. And then also go doing lagoon, and I wanted to do some stuff up in Salt Lake, and the door is opening. Hello, must be the wind coming to say hi. But yeah, I'm gonna do some stuff at lagoon, and maybe do some fishing or camping or hiking. Maybe I'll go up to the hot springs. I don't know. I want to do something, not just sit at home and play video games, which is nothing wrong with sitting home and just relaxing and play video games. But I want to make some maybe some cleaning channel content and maybe some cooking. I don't know. Or I might just do whatever. I want to get some different content. All right. Well, if you made it to the end, you throw out a hashtag whatever. Because today's been kind of a whatever day. Or hashtag take two. I don't know. Or hashtag hi, so I know you made it to the end. Hashtag community, unity. Hashtag love y'all. All right. Love y'all. You have a great day. I'll see y'all on the internet. Talk to you later. Bye.